Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use KML files. KML, or Keyhole Markup Language, is a file format used to display geographic data in an Earth browser like Google Earth. Think of it as a language for mapping applications. It allows you to store and visualize locations, paths, and areas, often with additional information like photos or descriptions. Understanding KML opens up many possibilities for sharing and exploring geographic information. Opening a KML file is quite straightforward. The most popular way is using Google Earth Pro, which is free to download. You can simply double-click the KML file, and it should open automatically. Many other Geographic Information System, or GIS, software programs also support KML. Additionally, you can often import these files into various online mapping platforms to view your data. Creating and editing KML content is an engaging process. Within applications like Google Earth Pro, you can easily add placemarks to highlight specific locations, draw paths to show routes, or define polygons to outline areas. You have full control to customize their appearance, including colors and styles, and add descriptive text or images. Once complete, you can save your new geographic data as a KML or compressed KMZ file. Sharing your KML data is incredibly simple, making collaboration easy. KML files can be attached to emails or uploaded to cloud storage services for others to access. For larger files or those containing embedded images, consider saving them as KMZ files, which are compressed versions. Many GIS platforms also allow you to export your project data directly into KML format, ensuring your geographic insights can be widely distributed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.